is a little far back. Ooh. Can you guys hear me okay? That's the real question. Can you hear me? Hi guys. Hello. So can you hear me okay? Because y'all be a little far away today. Because y'all be on a tripod. Why are you at IKEA? Or sorry, IKEA. IKEA. Why not be at IKEA? I'm actually here to get things that I need for my dorm, but also food. Look at that good, beautiful IKEA food. You can't hear? Oh, it's a little far. Okay, you can hear? You can? Okay. Hello. Hello. Pennsylvania? Hello. Yes, food. Thank you, makeup. Thank you. I did it myself today. Thank you. Did you get the meatballs? You know I did. You know I did. Swedish flag. Yes. Are there any Swedes in the house? Are there any Swedes? Do we have any Swedish people? Hello. So I'm just gonna be just chilly eating and just talking with y'all. Oh. The silverware is magnetic. Wow. The silverware is magnetic at IKEA. Did you guys know that? The silverware, it's magnetic. That's crazy, but okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah, the cover went up today. The cover went up. Thank you guys. I'm glad you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Please don't mind me. I'm literally just eating. So. You're from Sweden? Well, hello. I also have never been to IKEA until I moved to Korea. It's kind of weird, but never been. This is so far away. I have to keep ducking down to stay in the frame. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for liking the cover. I'm really glad you like it. Like, even though we've debuted, we still want to, like, keep doing covers. So if you have any suggestions for what covers I should do next, please suggest, because, you know, your girl started as a cover dancer and likes dancing, so please suggest things. Appreciate it. Hello, Prisha. Okay, good luck at school today. Good luck at school. The camera quality is so good. I know, it's a Huawei phone.
What
Good
would you
quality.
like to drink?
Me, water, please.
Water.
Mule. Mule museum.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, you may draw me. Oh my gosh, thank you. Baby hand. I know, I have tiny hands. I know. I know, I have tiny hands. Okay, I am looking at what you guys want me to cover. I'm seeing... Okay. Okay, you have exams. Good luck on your exams. I remember that quite a few of you have exams coming up, so good luck on that. Can you marry me? Sure. Sure, I will marry you. Oh no, these really aren't that heavy. I know they look heavy, but they're really not. Okay. Luna Samanium. Only one. Samanium. AT Samanium. Samanium. Monster X Samanium. Okay. I'm taking note of all these things that you want to see, so we're taking note. Thank you. But yeah, we're literally just at IKEA. IKEA. We are at IKEA today because we all just kind of needed stuff from IKEA today. So why not look nice and do a live and get some food? So, you know. Yes. My sincere prayers going out to everybody in Australia that's being affected by what's going on. It's quite scary. and I really pray for everyone's safety. So prayers to Australia for that. Thank you, the shirt, thank you. It's quite big actually. Let me just it's like a bed sheet, but it's a shirt. It's pretty cool.
Oh.
Yeah, there's like the little details here. It's like lacy, upbeat on the sides. That's not a proper word, but oh well. I made it a word now. Lacy, upbeat. It's a very big shirt. Very big shirt. It is a very large shirt, but then again, I am also a very small person. Connection, because the cameraman just got up. So, I apologize if the connection gets a little weird. 감독님 walked away because he's getting food now. So, if this connection gets unstable, that's he's so is it